Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today's layout is for my little scrapbook store, and I am doing the stripes challenge. And I decided to use all of these branding strips from Storyteller, no, not Storyteller, from Color Study, Vicki Boutin's collection, to use as my stripes. I have so many of them, so I figured this was the best way to use it. So as you can see, I'm just taking them and placing them. Some of them are from my 6x8 pad, from the 12x12 pad, and then some are also from single sheets of paper. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and line them all up. I am using some Vicki Boutin mixed media paper. I think that's what it's called. Yep, mixed media paper, which I have never used. This is the first time I ever use it, and I was very impressed by the thickness and the quality of the paper. So if you have been hesitant and you like mixed media, definitely check it out. Although I do not do a lot of mixed media on this particular layout, there will be some stenciling. So I'm going to scrapbook these two pictures. One is myself, and I'm taking, it's kind of like a selfie, but I was really trying to emphasize on the ceiling of this restaurant called Chewy's. It's all hubcaps, and I thought it was so cool. And of course, I had to document my, I think it was called a cherry lime spritzer, which was really good too. I'm using the Vicki Boutin stencil, and I think this is like, I don't know if they have a name, but it's like all circles. And I am using the Catherine Pooler ink pads in Sea Glass, Sauna, Queen for a Day, Party Dress, and I think I also use Daydream. I'm not 100% sure if Daydream makes the cut. But that one right there is Seagrass. The next one I'm using is Queen for a Day, which is purple. And I absolutely love the stencil. There is no way of using it wrong. You can layer, you can break it up like I'm doing here. And I do apologize that my layout is a little low. I will move it up shortly. And really, honestly, this layout came together pretty quick. It really was super easy, and definitely these inks and the stencil made it so much easier to get it all together. I will also be using some Vicki Boutin ephemera pieces and a couple stickers to complete my layout from the Storyteller collection. So here I'm just adding a couple more of those strips. I'm trying to figure out what other colors at this point I want to use. And I think here is where I'm going to use the Daydream. Yeah, I do end up using Daydream. And it's such a beautiful, like, blue color. Love it. So I'm also doing a smaller amount of color down at the right-hand bottom part of my page. And again, I'm just thrilled at how this layout turned out. So check out my little scrapbook store. We are having an awesome crop later this month, and I believe the dates are July 30th to August 1st. We have so many fun challenges, and there's so many prizes. Just go over to my little scrapbook store and on Facebook, or if you even go to their .com page, you will get links to the Facebook group. And it's a free virtual crop. We will be having so many fun activities, and the girls are awesome over there. So make sure you check them out. And another thing is, if you haven't shopped at my little scrapbook store, Michelle takes such care in packaging your stuff that it doesn't matter if your package is left out in a monsoon, your stuff inside your box will be perfectly dry. So if you've had issues with other stores and packaging, check out Michelle. She is awesome. If there's something that you specifically are looking for, she'll always try her best to help you find what you need. So yeah, so that's, you know, that's just in a nutshell. She's awesome. And this Vicky Boutin collection is my absolute favorite. I can't wait to see the next one, which is I believe a winter Christmas theme one, which I've already signed up for. I want it. I don't even care what it looks like. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. So I am matting my my photos with one of the Vicky Boutin papers. It's the white one that has like the little polka dots, and it matches perfectly, matches the colors of the inks perfectly. And honestly, everything tied in together. And at the end of the day, you'll see me add my ephemera, add my title, which was going to be "Oh yeah," because that's my signature little comment when I'm enjoying something, and I was really enjoying my food and drinks. And basically that's it. So make sure you stick around to the end. I will have close-ups of the layout as well as links to other videos that might interest you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to have fun, enjoy your craft, and I'll see you all real soon.